Parang thick siya. Sobrang thick. Taste test. Ay, masarap. Ang sarap. It's good. I like it. Ang perfect ng blueberry.
Madami tao ngayon guys, as in, Champa.
Hello! You're so cute naman. Resident cat ba to? Hello. Sa gym to? Cute. Hello.
Pour over.
Pour over. Full or pour? Pour.
May salamin?
Tapang. Hindi talaga ako mahilig sa ano, ganito. It's not for me.
Black coffee. Na medyo tea-like yung stuff.
Oo nga eh. Hindi ko na siya kaya ubusin. Hi, can I have your toyo latte? This is their famous toyo latte. So may toyo daw to sa ilalim. Sabi ni Brad, our friend who's working here. Hi guys! This is toyo latte. Sabi ni Brad, ito daw ang itry ko kasi unique siya. Taste test. Para siyang ano? Para siyang salted caramel. Oh my God! This is 215 pesos. Masarap siya guys, masarap. We are gonna go up kasi itong third floor nila is yung specialty coffee and matcha. Pero sa taas is Toyo signature drinks sa roof deck. So medyo creepy lang yung way going up. Wow, thank you so much. Open area na dito. This is the roof deck part guys. Marami na ditong chairs and tables.
Ba't wala akong makita? Ayun. So iba guys, yung menu nila dito sa 4th floor. Yan, ginagawa din yung mga drinks namin.
Wow, that's our kaya toast. Okay, let's try this patty while it's toasted.
Nag-ano ka?
Ang init. Yung that mo. Dapat medyo ano siya eh.
Runny.
Yeah, runny. I think you can get the ano din, the white part. That's our pink drink. Wine.
Acidity from the drink.
So this is like a refill, parang more pa.
Para for you guys to appreciate the cold brew itself.
Okay.
I see, okay. Thank you so much. Hello po.
Siya yung gumawa ng drink.
Okay. Ooh, the pressure is real. So we'll taste this in front of the maker. Cheers! Taste test. Nalalasaan ko yung pagka-floral niya. Parang nga siya refreshing drink. Now, when you think of the color pink, parang ito yun. Ang galing niya. Let's try the kaya toast. Pwede na siyang ganyan. Tapos, dip mo lang siya. Hindi na siya toasted. How is it? It's good. Let's check.